Hello everyone, it's Marky. I'm here ready to open some of my Matchbox cars, the holiday cars. Let's go ahead and open this one right here. Holiday Matchbox cars. Here's the first one, the dump truck. Dump truck made in Thailand. Matchbox. Copyright 1989. Mattel Incorporated. Look at the big fat tires. Some nice treads on them. Construction company. Nice tampo right there. Number 710 down here with a black and white stripe. And a number 42 up here with a black and yellow. It's a beautiful blue truck. And yeah, it's a dump truck. Let's take a closer look. There you see all the tampo work on the side. Construction company. Wow, this is nice. So brand new. It's got a plastic bumper. Oh, this is metal. Look, it's got like 2 seats here. It doesn't look like it has any steering wheel or anything in there. I can't really see anything. Yeah, it's all hollow in there. We have a little ladder, a little door right there. No colors, no license plate number. Looks like the same tampo on the other side. Pretty plain back here, all blue, but nice, lots of little casting details, casted details. The tipper is all plastic. All plastic back here. And there's no gate in the back. Pretty nice little truck. Let's see what's in the next box. This one is called the Ridge Raider. Matchbox, copyright 2006. Mattel Incorporated, Thailand. Wheels look to be all the same size. Ridge Raider. Nice chrome wheels. No letters on the tires. This looks like it says toolkit or something like that. And what do we have here? Cox suspension, 1975. Osada, first aid. Reinhardt, 716. Matchbox off-road team. Right on the door. We do have some side view mirrors, big lights on the top here. Look at all this detail. The black plastic comes all across from the bottom, all the way up here. And we have red plastic showing through here, which is connected to the interior. Looks like a left side driver. We have clear window in the front windshield, and the windows are rolled down. Look at the back. We have some molded tires in there. Plastic molded tires and some other space in here. refrigerator. Here's the front end. Looks like we have a badge in the middle and a couple of lights. Plenty of lights down here. No extra details. Just like the other one, we have a lot of tampo work on the side. And look at all this down here. We have the door handle. We have some hinges here. Some more hinges here. Here's the back end. Big wing back here. Look at all this casted detail. Some more hinges here. I wonder if this whole thing comes up. We do have a big tail hook right there. We can tow a trailer. Off-road team. This looks like the muffler here, the exhaust. I don't really see any pipes showing there on that side. Pretty cool. Let's see what they look like side by side. Wow, look at the difference in size. It's a nice silver, metallic silver color. Look at that wing back there. No color on any of the lights at all, even the ones on top are just plain silver. The color combination is really nice. The red and silver looks really good. Very cool. All right, let's take a look. We have these Christmas stockings. And these you just pop open. Oh, another truck. Now we have two halves. Let's open this guy up so we can take a closer look. You're free, you're free. Ah, farm fresh milk. Check it out. We have a pink logo here with some black letters and outlined in black. A really cool picture of a cow here. Let's take a closer look at it. There it is. Farm fresh milk truck. Here's the back end. No color for the lights or anything. This looks like plastic here. The blue part is metal. This is all plastic. Here's the top view. It's got the silver tanks. Nice chrome wheels. Big tires. Looks like the whole bottom is plastic. Yeah, this is all plastic. Silver plastic, Matchbox, copyright 2006, Mattel, made in Thailand. This one's called the Utility Truck, 2006. I don't see any details for the exhaust so far. Let's see here on the side how it looks. It's a nice blue color. Cool combo with the silver, looks good. The interior looks good in that silver. It's got a big old bench seat, left side driver. Check out the big mirrors. The big adjustable mirrors on the side. Do any of you guys drive big trucks like this? Check this out, all silver grille. We have the license plate right there. No numbers or letters. See the fog lights and the headlights. No color whatsoever for any of the lights or the license plate numbers or letters. Nice chrome wheels there. Beautiful tampo work on the side here. I love that. Little cow. Farm fresh milk. Beautiful little tank truck. Again, this one's called utility truck. So I guess I should say beautiful utility truck. There's the back end. Very cool. I like this one a lot. Nice blue color. The blue and white look awesome together. The pink and blue look good together. The silver and blue look good together. Great combo, great combo. All right, that one goes back in there. Let's see what we have in this next one. I have something in my nail there. It's driving me crazy. There we go. All right. Let's see if I can get this one open. Oh, wow, look at this. Matchbox holiday cards. Let's see if he fits through it. All right, cool. Look at the front end on the hood there. Couple of candy canes. Very Christmas type graphics. Oh, happy holidays. Happy holidays, everyone. I hope you're having a nice time these holidays, considering everything that's going on in the world. Wow, look at this. These are some big tires, guys. Wow. Take a second and subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss out on my Matchbox videos and other car videos. Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Johnny Lightning, all sorts of cars. Yachtming, Zilmex. You don't want to miss out on my diecast car videos. New videos every day. Wow, it's a left side driver. You can see the interior very well on this one. It's all open. Two big bucket seats, captain style chairs. Look at the rear end. That looks cool. Let's bring it up closer. Maybe we can see that better. There you go. Happy holidays. Nice tempo. Beautiful candy canes. Looks so good with the red background. No details for the lights. Nice casted details, but no extra paint or colors for the fog lights or the lights, the grille. And same thing on the back end, just all red. Sides are just completely red. We have a black engine, looks like all plastic. And it comes all right around here. The black part must be connected to the interior. Let's get the name on this guy, see if they have a name down here. I see the little elephant, our little friend from Thailand. It says Matchbox 4x4. Copyright 2007, Mattel Incorporated. Matchbox 4x4. We have some little detail here for exhaust, but I don't see any pipes sticking out here. We have some shock absorbers. Nice looking little 4x4. Looks like he fits on the track. He just about made it. Just some big tires. Look at that. Big tires. Really nice. Little 4x4 in red with the Happy Holidays logos. Really nice. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss these videos, guys. Thank you so much again. Just drop a comment, say hello. Let me know how you like these. Which one was your favorite? And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one.